So I had a tree cut down today. And me, I don't like unnecessary death for things. So I told the tree cutter, if it's any nest you could save, if you could please bring it down, I would appreciate that. They brought down one nest safely, which is bullshit, because I know it's like 6 nests in that motherfucking tree. It was a big tree. It was bigger than the house. So he brought down a nest that had 2 grackle. Yeah, see, I don't be knowing the nigga no birds. Yeah, I know my birds. It had 2 baby grackle birds in it, 2 chicks. Couldn't even fly. So me having these chickens, I'm thinking, oh, they adopt them, maybe. Take them in. This one. This was the main one. I put that grackle in her. She beat the fuck out of it. Like, I didn't know that I was raising St. Louis chickens. They in St. Louis, but I didn't think they were built like that. Just jumped them. Pepper too, just jumped the poor little grackles. And the mama bird still fucking chirping up there. And yeah, look at this. Look at this. Tore the fellas off that little motherfucker. But I scared them away, and the little grackles ran through the gate, and now they are a part of this great community. They probably got fucking Glocks and shit now. They haven't been out here too long. Mama bird's still up there chirping.